Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set up iqoo mobile one hand mode shortcut setting. Friends, you want to set up and you want to use iqoo mobile one hand mode shortcut setting, how to turn on and how to enable iqoo mobile one hand mode shortcut setting step by step. In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on my phone shortcut and accessibility setting friends, if you click here as capture setting, so you can use 3 finger screenshot, and if you click here smart split setting, so friends you can use skin split setting in your iqoo mobile. Easy touch shortcut setting is here. Flash notification friends, you want to on incoming call flash notification, so you can on incoming call flash notification when your phone screen is off, your camera flash will blink. Then friends, scroll down here, click here one hand mode setting. One hand mode is disabled, so friends we will enable mini screen gesture shortcut setting. You want to use friends one hand mode setting, you want to use your device screen with one hand mode, so friends right side swipe here and you can set up your one hand mode setting and you can use. So friends, you can see we can use iqoo mobile with one hand mode shortcut setting. Friends, click here and you can adjust your one hand mode. You want to use one hand mode with left side, so friends you can use one hand mode with left side. You want to use right side, so friends you can use one hand mode right side. So like that friends, you can use one hand mode setting. Upside down side you can set. So like that friends, you want to use iqoo mobile one hand mode shortcut setting, so you can on one hand mode shortcut setting and you can use it. And once if you click at this cross icon, so you can use your full screen. Again swipe here, you can use your device screen with one hand mode setting. And you don't want to use one hand mode shortcut setting, so friends open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. Scroll down here and open your phone one hand mode setting. After turn on your phone one handed mode setting of your one handed mode setting. Now friends, you cannot use your device screen with one hand mode. Swipe here right side, you cannot use one hand mode shortcut setting. Again you want to use enable your one hand mode shortcut setting, you can use your screen with your one hand mode. And you don't want to use, so you can off. Now friends, you can use your full screen. You cannot use your mini screen gesture setting in iqoo mobile. Bye, thanks for watching the video.